Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to limit the number of records for a given master-child relationship. Let's take an example over here where each employee has 3 reviews which are showing for it, and we want to just show the latest 2. Okay, you would click on your detailed data, and one of the ways we could do it is simply restrict the number of records to 2. You can save it, and if you see, it will show you the latest 2. Now this depends upon how you have sorted the information out. Now let's say you want only reviews which have been done in the month of June. Could be 1, could be 2, right? So let's go back, make this 0, which means unlimited. Click on review date and say more than 2025 0601, right? So show me all reviews which have a date of more than 1st of June to 2025. Click on OK, save, and if you preview, you will now only see dates post 1st of June. So hopefully this is useful to you. Thank you.